Hey guys, how to set up a welcomer bot on Discord. So first of all, go ahead and inside your server and click on the name of your server at the top. Okay, you're gonna see a pop-up window, server boost, invite people, and app directory. Go ahead and press app directory. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna search for Dino. Okay, and as you can see, you're gonna see right here, Dino. Go ahead and press it. This Discord bot is to make server management and moderation easy. So like a bot that allows you to, automatically generate replies or welcome and a welcome kind of intro. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit add app, and then I'm gonna hit trust Dino. And I'm gonna go ahead to the Dino official website, right? And they're gonna of course ask me for authorization, right? And I'm gonna add the server. So now, as you can see, they'll ask me if you confirm that you gave them access. I'm gonna authorize, verify that you're a human being, wait for a few moments. Afterwards, you will be directed to the Dino, right? And you can select your prefix, right? For Dino to know a message is a command, you must start the message with the following character, right? And you can type right here what it is. And choose the time zone, African, let's say, American NASA, okay? Hit next and choose the update channel, right? If you want to use the Dino for rules or moderator only or general, let's go ahead and hit. And then if you're interested in premium, I'm gonna just hold that for now. And now we're gonna see the perfect models for your for your Discord bot. And as you can see, you're gonna see different models. You can go and search for welcome, turn it on, and now whenever someone enters your server, they will see the welcoming bot. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.